know this is super late, but I'm getting to it now. Here's my cover of the One Week Collection. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched. He tried to read a sense. My mama swore she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. Darling, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are only exception. Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul love never lies, and we've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now I've sworn to myself that I'm content loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. For you are the only exception. 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 I got a tiger born reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. Oh, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are only exception. You are the 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 only exception. I'm on my way to believing. Oh, and I'm on my way to believing. Right?